everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for watching. So today's video is a very exciting video and I'm going to be showing you guys what Mud Makeup Designory has sent me, and yeah, let's see how I got this look. And if you guys want to see the products and what I think of it, then please keep on watching. So this is the look that I created using the products that Mud have sent me, and you guys, I also have something exciting to share with you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Okay, so first up I'm going to be using the color called Bollywood, and I'm going to apply this into my crease and above my crease. The color payoff is really very good. So I'm going to be blending this from the inner corner of my eye to the outer portion of my upper crease, and just using a blending brush, and make sure to have it extremely blended out. So I'm going to be creating a cut crease that is opened at the end. So I'm going to be applying the shadow towards the outer part of my eye, gently going under the brow bone like so. The shade is extremely buttery and the pigment shows up really well. I'm going to be going into this shade right here. I'm just going to be applying this to my tapered brush. I'm going to be applying this right into the socket of the eye. So right here, and I'm going to be blending it into the crease. You guys can see it's such a beautiful purple shade, and don't worry about the corner. I'm going to be cleaning that as soon as I'm done with the eyes. I'm kind of happy with how beautiful and pigmented the shades, just 2 shades already, looks on the eye. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm using a concealer from Crayolan. I'm going to be using the shade right here, which is a matte shade, and I'm going to be applying this on the concealed area. So I've already went in and concealed and cut the crease on both sides. Now just packing this shade onto the concealer. This matte shade is one of my favorites. I can already tell you this is going to be a huge favorite for me. It is not chalky. It is literally not even like getting into that powdery finish. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with the eyes, I have went in and applied some winged eyeliner, and as you guys can see, it's a very dramatic eye look. So I went in with my Essence liquid ink eyeliner and I just did a dramatic wing, and then I went in and applied some lashes. So the company name is called Mud Makeup Designory, and they have called me up and given me these amazing products to review and to use and show you guys some of my tricks and skills using their products. So I'm just going to do that. So first up, I'm going to be using the Mud cream foundation. This is a refill size, so they didn't have my shade in this particular cream foundation, so they gave me the travel size foundation. So this casing comes like this, and if you open this magnetic casing, then they have the shade at the bottom of the pan. So this shade that I'm going to be using is GY1. I'm going to be trying this out on my face for the first time, you guys. So this is how it looks. I'm going to be applying this with a flat brush like so. I'm going to just pick up the product and then just apply it all over my face, and then I will go in and blend it out. I am a full coverage girl, this is how I like to apply it first. And then I go in with a kabuki brush, a flat kabuki brush, and I'm going to be blending this out first. So first up, I just have to say this. I am so shocked at how perfect this foundation is. I know it's kind of crazy to say that, but I've been using the Crayolan Ultra Foundation, and I've always had to mix between shades to get a perfect shade for my skin tone. But I feel like this particular shade and the foundation is to the T. With the coverage, it is amazing. I love how full coverage this foundation is, and I'm sure it is, if you put a little bit on, you can use it throughout the week, and it can be medium to full coverage. But overall, I can say it's very comfortable on the skin. It doesn't feel like it's too heavy, too cakey. It doesn't look like that at all. And you guys, I really like how this foundation actually looks on the skin. It kind of looks like my skin, but better. Foundation, I will give it 100 thumbs up. Foundation, this is definitely my color number 1. Perfect coverage number 2, and it is matte, which is also excellent. It doesn't feel heavy on the face at all, you guys, and it blended out so well with the kabuki brush. Normally I would go in with this brush and blend out my foundation, and then I'll go in with a beauty blender just to like make everything look more blended. But honestly, I don't think I need to do that because the brush itself just worked with this foundation. One thing I did recognize with using the Mud cosmetic brand is that the products are very blendable. It's not very hard to blend out the products. Since using the foundation now, I know that it is very creamy, especially with the eye product as well. So I'm very, very impressed, you guys. So well done, Mud Cosmetics. It's so matte that I don't even think you need to really set it, but because I'm a oily girl at times, I'm just gonna go ahead quickly and just set like the center part of my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went in and just bronzed up my face a little bit with some powder, and to be honest, I was going to like highlight my under eye area and kind of do like the whole highlight and contour vibe, but to be honest, all I did was I went in with the foundation, I used my finger and I just dabbed underneath my eye, and it literally just, it covered out all of that, like, you know, the dark circles. I set it with some translucent powder. Now quickly I'm just gonna go in and just add in a little bit of color underneath my eye just to finish up the eye quickly. I'm gonna be using a eyeshadow brush, and I think I'm going to be using the color called Vineyard. This is a beautiful color that I use. My previous video on the Smitten box, go check that out if you guys didn't watch that video. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in quickly, and I'm just going to place this on the outer corner of the bottom lash line. And this is a shimmer color, so the top of the eyelid is matte, and then we have a little bit of shimmer happening at the bottom. Okay, from outer corner to inner corner. And to highlight my inner tear ducts, going into the color called Cashmere. This color is seriously beaming. So I'm gonna apply this just to the inner corner. I'm just gonna apply some blush real quickly. I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette in dark. I'm going to be using the Mud highlighter. This is the shade Spark. I'm going to be using this flat type of brush just to put on that highlighter. What? You guys, I'm seriously like shocked seriously. Wow. You guys can already tell how pigmented it is. Okay, so the highlighter is another 100 thumbs up. Okay, so the next product that I have in my hands, this mud lipstick. I have the shade Havana, and when I went into the mud store the other day, I tested out some of the shades on my hand. Already I could tell just by swatching it on my hand that it was so creamy, and most of it were matte. So I chose one of the most popular shades, and I think it's so pretty and so beautiful. So this was one of my favorites that I liked from the lot. So this is how much of product you have in the lipstick. Like, wow. So you guys, it looks so pretty just by, I don't even want to like put it on my lips because it looks so pretty. But anyway, here goes. I'm going to be applying this to my lips. My word, you guys, this lipstick is so deceiving. Oh my gosh, I literally thought it's going to be so dark, but it looks like the perfect taupe-ish type of color. It is a satin lipstick. It is not too, it's not too heavy. It just feels creamy. So the products that I did mention today was the products that they have given me to play around with, and yeah, this is the look that I created. So to talk about the products individually, first I'm going to be talking about the foundation. Now the foundation, I will leave it in the description on the different types of foundations that they have, and I will leave their websites, social media handles, and all of the information that you guys need to know. The foundation feels really good. I am going to try it out for the day, and I'm going to see how it lasts and how it adapts to my skin throughout the day, and I'll also let you guys know. So stay tuned for loads of videos regarding like mud makeup and all of that. Please visit the Gateway branch. All of them are so amazing. They are literally such sweethearts. So once you walk into their studio, they literally come in and help you out with whatever needs that you do have. They are very accommodating, and you should check them out. Highlighter, you guys, this highlighter, it comes in this pan, and it is so pretty. So I think if you're looking for a beaming highlight, this is definitely the one to get. You guys, it is perfect if you are going out for events. If you are getting married, then definitely purchase this highlighter in the color called Spark, and it is actually very blendable because once you blend it into the skin, it kind of gives you that natural glow, but still looking like, you know, like you're a glazed donut, which we all love looking like. Next is the lipstick, and you guys, this lipstick is gonna be one of my favorites. I can already tell. The color, especially Havana, is very it's very natural looking, but still has that beautiful color, which is like a taupe color, and I think it's stunning on all skin tones. The feel of it is very soft, it's buttery. It is a satin color, so it's not a matte lipstick. And the last product that they gave me was this product right here, which I will be doing another video on this product. So if you'd like to see how I use it, then please definitely check that video out. This is basically a facial cleanser and makeup remover. I heard all good things about this, and I really want to try it out. And yeah, that is the products that I have used on my face today. And lastly, you guys already know that I've had this palette for some time, and this is the second look that I did create with this palette. But you guys, their products are really they really do take into consideration their packaging, the product quality. You can play around with dramatic looks, with romantic looks, whatever type of look you want. One word to explain the brand on its own, definitely going to be quality. I can see, and just by using a little bit of these products, I can already tell you that their ethos is quality. And yeah, that is the products that I've used today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I just would like to announce something real quickly. I am one of the brand ambassadors for Mud Makeup Designory, and I am so excited. So it's such a blessing to be recognized and discovered by such amazing international brands such as Mud, and they are honestly one of the first people that discovered me as brands, so they will always have like a special place in my heart, just because out of nothing they saw my potential. Yeah, so definitely go and check them out on Instagram and all their social media handles. I will leave everything in the description box, and don't forget to check out the Mud Studio in Gateway. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you guys are alerted every time I upload a video. And this is it for today's video. Bye.